Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert and remove slide numbers in PowerPoint so your presentations stay organized and professional. Whether it's for work, school, or a special project, this trick will make your slides easier to follow. First, open your PowerPoint presentation or create a new one if you haven't started yet. Once your slides are ready, head up to the Insert tab on the top menu. This tab is where you add images, text boxes, and of course, slide numbers. Next, click on the slide number button. A small dialog box will appear, giving you control over how your slide numbers are displayed. Check the box for slide number and then decide whether you want it on just one slide or across the entire presentation. For a polished, consistent look, click Apply to All. This will number every slide in your deck automatically. Now, what if you change your mind and want to remove the numbers? It's just as easy. Go back to the Insert tab, click slide number and uncheck the box. Again, select Apply to All to remove numbers from every slide at once. And that's it. With these simple steps, your PowerPoint presentations will look more organized and professional, making it easier for your audience to follow along. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips. See you in the next video.